Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make no snow cloud slimes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cloud slime. Without further ado, let's get started. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is pour in my Elmer's glue. And next I'm pouring in some shaving cream just to make it, a little bit fluffy. You don't have to add any of these ingredients. You're just going to be making a basic slime. Okay guys, so after applying all the ingredients, what you're going to do is you're going to mix in well until all your ingredients are combined. Okay guys, once you've mixed everything together, you're going to add your activator, and I just have a little bit of activator in this container. Okay guys, once you have your desired slime, mine took just a couple of seconds and I was done with it. But I'm just using this little bit of slime because the slime is going to grow, so when you apply the snow into it. So I'm going to show you how to make the DIY snow. So let's get started. Okay guys, what we're doing first is putting the slime into this little container just so it doesn't get any hairs or anything inside of it. Next, you're going to be using a diaper. So here I have this diaper that I have and that I made, I think, a while ago. So basically, there's going to be this inside of it. So before I get into this, I wanted to say, you're going to need a diaper and you're going to just pour some water on the top of it. So this is how it's going to look. Pour water on the top of it. And then once you keep on putting some water on the top of it, what you're going to do next is open this up and you're going to see these little crystals. Now, what you're going to do, follow these instructions. What I'm going to do is take this and check for any of these, which are just cotton. This is just cotton that hasn't been yet made like this. So then you're going to put this into a separate container. So I have this separate container. Let me just open this container up. And I'm going to put it in this container. Drop that in there and just keep on doing this process until you are done and you have the desired amount of snow. You are going to need lots of snow for this, so I'm just making sure I have the amount of snow that I want. Okay guys, so I just finished taking off all the snow from the diaper, and as you can see, it does look a lot moist. What you're going to do first is you're just going to make sure there's no like cotton inside and just like swerve it around and stuff. It doesn't matter if they're little chunks, but if there are big chunks, then you would want to take them out. Let this sit for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes or so. Let the water all evaporate, so it'll just be like this, and you want to leave the lid on. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay guys, so it's been a while now, and basically this is how it's looking. It's been like 2 hours maybe, I don't know, I just haven't really been on it. So I've just let it kind of sit, and it's kind of just like dried up into actual snow. So I'm sorry for the background noise, my dog is just like really like loud, but I'm going to put this in the slime now. That's what you're going to do next. So let's go put this in the slime. So basically guys, here I have the slime, and what we're going to do is apply it into the thing. So let's go do that. Okay guys, so we got our desired texture. It is so cool and stretchy, and it has this really nice like stringy kind of like cloud slime texture. And what you can do is let it sit and just knead it, and then it will turn into a really nice thick cloud slime texture. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe down below to be part of the Panda Fam. And don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!